pH is a measure of how acidic or basic a solution is. A strong acid is an acid that dissociates completely in water, like hydrochloric acid. A weak acid is an acid that does not completely dissociate in water, like acetic acid. A buffer is an aqueous solution of highly stable pH. Adding an acid or a base to a buffer will not significantly change its pH. A buffer is made by mixing a weak acid or a weak base with its conjugate. Hydrogen ions added to a buffer are neutralized by the base in the buffer. Hydroxide ions are neutralized by the acid. Before using a pH meter, always calibrate it using stable pH buffers.
To start off calibrating the pH meter, first you go to the calibrate screen and you hit calibrate now. And start off, you rinse it in deionized water and then you switch it over to the pH 7 and let it get a static reading on the machine until it stays still. Okay, it's staying solid. So you can keep. Then you re-rinse it in deionized water. And you move it to the pH 4. And so it gets a static reading as well.
Yeah. We need to make sure we hit every one of those.
So static at 2.0.
Shot in a manner that allows clear vision.
2.44.
Oh my gosh, calibrate.
Right? And that should have it calibrated. You hit OK. Go back here. And the reading is showing pH balance of very close to 4. Showing it's calibrated. After calibrating the pH meter, we can now place it inside this orange juice and get the pH reading on that, which when it gets to a static one, you'll know. Appears to be 3.54.
Before running another measurement, you need to recalibrate to the instrument.
At least you have the video.
Okay.
This one probably is not stable, I'm not quite sure. So you do try your best to finish your calibration video first, then you just continue with that.
Get a shot of the orange juice. 3.63.
Okay. And then
Now to find the pH of the apple juice.
I guess you can like put the camera
Okay, get out. We just need to have a shot of like once it's all done.
The pH appears to be 3.6.
So that one.
You can use this technique to find the pH of many different solutions.
Yeah.
Remember, all your data should be recorded in your lab notebook.